Okay, so it's another unboxing. I ordered a camera bag slash I don't know, carrying bag, case, something. Camera bag with wheels, put it that way. Can't remember the name. Can't remember a lot of stuff lately. Getting older. I don't know if it's Alzheimer's or Suntimers, but just forgetting stuff. Oh. Big box. Thought it was bigger. It's a pretty big box. It's this little case. Big box. So anyways, yeah. So I ordered this. I got this other K&B, KB, I think it's K&B. It's nice, but I just didn't get used to the two compartments. It's got another compartment here, compartment here, compartment here. And I like the feel of the backpack. I just used it one time. Ended up just keeping it in the trunk and going to the trunk and getting stuff out, and I'd go to one compartment and the other. And anyways, this one looks like it just has one compartment, and it's got the little wheels. Just because I was thinking of this is nice if you go hiking and stuff, but I don't really do much hiking. But if I'm in thinking like airport, and you go to in a hotel and lugging your stuff around, maybe the wheels are a little nicer. Plus having the one compartment might be a little better than the three compartments. Oh, it looks like, yeah. So I saw that this also has a little thing here for little straps for your that doesn't look as nice as the other, like a backpack. This is, how is this? Oh, looks like it goes here. Backpack. Backpack. Dora. Put this in here. Check it out. Yeah, it doesn't seem as comfortable as that, but I guess for an emergency. But I just, like I said, I didn't, this one feels really nice, the backpack. And it's got the little straps with little compartments there, but yeah, I'm not seeing extra, like that extra support. But, yeah. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, got the little wheels. Little, thing here for your that, and it's by I don't know, I heard on other videos they call it NEEWER, but it's two E's, so it sounds, to me it's more like NEEWER. NEEWER. Got a thing there, maybe you can, I guess your laptop, but I don't know if I'd like be putting it on my back and have your laptop there and somebody just slides it out. But anyways, let's check out the main compartment. Dun, 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 dun. All right. What is this? Oh, your rain bag. Inside a little bag. Rain bag in a bag. Oh, maybe this is for your tripod? Oh, you probably can't see, but yeah, maybe your tripod fits in here. Alright, so there it is. Just one big compartment. And here you have all this stuff. Now we're gonna kind of make this a dual video because I was gonna show everything that I put in this K&B bag here because I ended up just pretty much just putting everything in here. I don't know if you can see, but because I took it with me on my sister invited us to Monterey. I just tried to see if I could fit anything. Bought a drone in Mexico, and to fly it in Mexico, you had to register it in Mexico with the civil aviation, and then you had to wait like 10 days before you could fly. So I did that, and then I brought it with me here, and same thing, you have to register it here, and then you have to take a class, and then you also, if you want to fly commercially, you have to take another class, part 10 something or something class. So anyways, so I took the drone with me. We went to Monterey, took the drone with me. Well, there was so much traffic there. We just stopped to get something to eat, stopped for a few minutes at the beach, and then head back because there was so much traffic back. So I just snapped a couple pictures, and there was a guy right where we stopped. There was a couple people there, so there's this guy just walking back and forth. So I just snapped a couple pictures with my camera. So I didn't really even use much, but anyways, packed it all in there just to see. But it's just a pain. Stuff here, stuff here, stuff here. But it's a very nice bag, but it's a pain. So what I'm gonna do is maybe show you guys what I packed here and then repack it here. And then while I was getting some stuff like the camera cage and and batteries and tripod and this and that. Somebody made a comment that I should focus on getting a lens first, but I was doing a lot of research and trying to figure out what lens to get. Finally got a Viltrox Pro 56mm 1.4, 1.8 something lens, and I got a couple other lenses coming. So to that person, if you watch this, I finally got a lens. Because I got the kit lens. I think it's 16 to 50 something, the Sony kit lens, and I also bought a Sony 11mm wide. Anyways, so I have the tripod here. So it's gonna be like I'm gonna splice this video and put on the unboxing of this, but also gonna take the stuff out of there and put it in here. So if you see, I have the tripod here.